I have seen a lot of videos online for city generation by Geo-Nodes, but none of them show how we can add roads to our city, so I thought I should give it a try. Here you can add roads by just drawing on a plane, which is just better. You can also manipulate every single building present here. By noise texture, you can change the terrain of your city. And draw some roads and the city is ready. Here's how it looks in Eevee, so let's get started. First, add a curve. Add Geo-Nodes, then curve to mesh node and curve line node. In curve line, set the start x value to 1 and the end x value to -1 and all other to zeros. Now you can just draw any road like this. Then add any mesh, add Geo-Nodes. Then add a grid and increase its size to how much bigger city you want. Then increase the vertices to 200 each. Then add set position node with selection to noise texture. Add a color ramp node and set an offset on z-axis. After this, you can play around with it until you find your perfect island. Then add instance on point node and set its selection to same noise texture with color ramp in between. Add a cube and make it low poly building. Then drag the building to Geo-Node and join this to instance node. Then add distribute point node in between instance and set position node. Now set the scale and rotation to random value for different variations of buildings. Then copy these same nodes and join the nodes exactly like before to get different variation of your buildings. After this, add another low poly building like before, but this time a bit longer. Then play with the random values and color ramp to get what you want. Add a realize instance, it just looks clean. This is the time to add our road in this Geo-Node group. Then add geometry proximity node and join its distance to our buildings. Then do anything you want with it and draw the roads in the city. Add color ramp node and it's done. After this, it's just material and shading stuff. I hope you can do it yourself. This setup is not just for cities. You can do a lot of other things by this, like you can easily make a village by this or any fantasy type town. And I made it very simple, but you can add good quality buildings in it, and also you can make roads a lot better by watching my another video on procedural roads. And for water, you can just simply add a plane with water texture if you don't understand attributes.